Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can report a response on Perplexity AI given to you by the artificial intelligence in 2026. For example, if the information is not 100% accurate or correct within the provided response, or if it violates any policies you believe, for example. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Perplexity AI, log into your account, navigate to your conversation history. Next, click into the given conversation, browse through the replies, and click into the three dots in the bottom right corner of it and select report. After that, select the reason, for example, one of the reasons I just mentioned, like inaccurate information, out of date information, too long, wrong sources, and so on, and so forth, offensive, harmful content, and so on. So guys, you may also provide feedback below. However, doing that is optional, like, I don't know, the source that has been used in the response is outdated or something like that, and provide feedback to it. Click into submit, and after that your request will be reviewed on Perplexity AI. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.